Welcome back to our family destination. Today we're heading deep into the Temple of the Forbidden Eye for an epic ride on Indiana Jones Adventure. Buckle up, it's going to be a wild journey. Caution.
The treasure of Mara, glittering gold, it is yours. You had to look, didn't you?
Snakes. You guys are on your own.
There. That wasn't so bad.
Thanks for joining us on Indiana Jones Adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our Disneyland POV playlist for more rides and family fun.